Okay, well, let's get two more guests in now. Bhavin Desai of Motilal Oswal Securities joins in, and we have Vinod Sharma of HDFC Securities as well. And you know what? They have a lot of common stocks too. So let's get talking. Bhavin, hi, morning. First, let's talk about some of the stocks that are in the news. IGL had a great run yesterday. You have a buy on that stock today?
Yeah, that's right. Good morning. We've not been seeing a lot of action on IGL. It's been waiting around in consolidation, waiting for probably a queue, and seems like whatever action that has happened, especially in yesterday's trade, has actually led it to break beyond this consolidation. There was a decent amount of volumes indicating that the participants were there. It was not a hollow rally. So about 490, 495 was something that we were looking at, that if this is taken out, the chances are that the time it has spent, about 3.5 months, it could actually give so much amount of returns as well. So this opens up headroom up to about 540 rupees. A short-term trade can be initiated on IGL now with about 482 as a stop loss and 540 as a target.
Okay. Well, before I get to your other stocks, Bhavin, what's the in-house Motilal Oswal view on the Nifty today?
Well, if we just try and see one scale up, things are not that rosy. We've been talking about a downward sloping weekly channel for a while now. Our statistical models are not too promising for Nifty to outperform the rest of the globe. So that way the picture is not very rosy. But then, having said that, we went into a pessimistic zone. So the stand at this juncture is that we are in a pullback, and be a little nimble-footed, but enjoy it while it lasts. Chances are that if you're talking very micro-term trend, then chances are that if we do manage to hold about 7740 thereabouts, chances are that we might have room up to 7840, 7880. And in case if we do see the other side of it, the most it can do is about 8,000 in terms of a pullback for the rest of the month. That's the upside that we're talking about, and any failure and any resumption of the move on the downside could actually see the targets closer to 73, 74.
All right. Well, we'll come back to you with your other stocks. Prakash Diwan has also joined us. Prakash, I wanted to get one stock before I come to your multi-bagger picks. How will the M&M trade? Is all the bad news in the price?
I don't think so. I don't think so. See, while we know that this order is short-lived in terms of a 3-month this thing, yeah, but it doesn't mean that after March it could get reversed completely. And what could happen is other states and other cities would start taking cues from this. For M&M to come with a sub 2000cc vehicle, except for the TUV 300, it's going to be really difficult. They don't have petrol vehicles which could transit to CNG, LPG as easily. You know, that's very easy. In fact, you just need a conversion kit and you're ready to go. And that's exactly where Maruti is finding itself in that sweet spot. So M&M will have that pressure, and nobody will want to touch it because it's already close to its highs. You know, I mean, it's not really down out there. So anybody who you talk to is sitting on some profit. So it doesn't mind, it's going to become a hot potato for a while. And then once things cool off, it could look... what I think they'll start doing is start focusing on other segments which, they have been not able to do that because of all this. So hopefully, 3 months should be a testing time, but they'll tide over this.
Okay, well, let's see how they manage to do that, considering they have no petrol variants currently.